Welcome back, Infopedia family. Did you hear that Samsung is gearing up to introduce a new smartphone called the Galaxy S25 Slim? And it's all about going head to head with Apple's anticipated iPhone 17 Slim. But here's the catch: the Galaxy S25 Slim isn't launching alongside the main Galaxy S25 series, which is expected to hit the market in January 2025. Instead, this slimmed-down version will roll out later in the year, serving more as an experiment to see if people really want a thinner phone packed with premium features. So, why is Samsung doing this? The company wants to understand how much consumers value a slimmer, more stylish smartphone. If the S25 Slim is a hit, it could pave the way for similar sleek models in future Galaxy releases like the Galaxy S26 series. To give you a bit of context, this isn't the first time Samsung has explored this territory. 10 years ago, they launched the Galaxy Alpha, a slim device that measured just 6.7mm thick and helped shape the design of the Galaxy S6. Now, the Galaxy S25 Slim aims to push that boundary even further. While the iPhone 17 Slim is rumored to be around 5mm thick, the current Galaxy S24 Ultra measures 8.6mm. The main goal for the Galaxy S25 Slim is to create a lightweight and ultra-slim device, much like the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. Samsung is considering positioning the S25 Slim as a high-end, ultra-thin phone, which might mean fewer features to keep the design sleek. At first, they may only produce a limited number of these devices, testing the waters before committing to a larger launch. But there's still some uncertainty about which model will serve as the foundation for the S25 Slim. Some insiders speculate that the Galaxy S25 FE could be transformed into this slim variant, but nothing is confirmed yet. Now, one of the biggest questions is whether consumers genuinely want thinner phones. This is exactly what Samsung hopes to explore with the S25 Slim. They want to make sure they're making the right decisions for the future of their flagship Galaxy line before fully embracing the slim design trend. In summary, the Galaxy S25 Slim represents Samsung's bold step into the realm of ultra-slim smartphones, testing both design innovation and consumer preferences. As we await more details, it's clear that the competition between Samsung and Apple is heating up, and we are all eager to see what's next. What do you think about Samsung exploring a slimmer design? Will consumers prefer a high-priced, ultra-slim phone even if it offers fewer features? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest tech news, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.